Hi everybody, I am Saeed and this is the Key channel. You may have semi-frame eyeglasses with one popped out lens. You may have hit it somewhere or damaged it when you are trying to clean it up. And you know that when something like this happens to you, it is a whole headache to get out of the house, find somebody to make it right for you, because you can't wear it. You need to keep it in your hand. If that's the case for you, and if you are encountered with such a problem, find a ribbon and continue watching. Here is the ribbon that I have found. Insert it from inside and wrap it around the supracord. Put the lens from the side which is near to your nose and hold the ribbon in your hand. And then guide supracord into the groove of the lens. Move it slowly and with patience. Done. Slowly bring out the ribbon. That's it.